My name is Dr. Michael Karlfeldt. I'm a naturopathic doctor. I've been in clinical practice for 25 years. A common concern that a lot of people are having is heart disease. It's one of these silent killers that we're all afraid of. The last thing that we ever want to hear is that that our arteries are clogged up and we are at a big risk factor for things like heart attack. And there are a lot of young people that do it, so it's some that have a heart attack. So it is important that you take the necessary step to prevent that from taking place. And one of the biggest issues that I see are actually inflamed arteries. It's not that the cholesterol is the issue. Blaming the issue on cholesterol is, to me, it's like blaming the fireman for the fire. Just because it is there in the vicinity of the fire doesn't mean that cholesterol is the one that caused it. So what happens is that because of what we're eating and because of all the chemicals and toxins that we're exposed to, it passes all these things and these sugars and all that, it passes through the blood vessels, and as it passes through these sensitive blood, the lining of the blood vessels, it actually inflames the blood vessels. And the last thing that the body wants to see happen is that these blood vessels are bursting. So a natural reaction to that is for the body then to send cholesterol to that area in order to be able to soothe that lining, to reduce that inflammation. So the issue is not really cholesterol or to artificially try to reduce the cholesterol. It's the same if you are having lots of fires. The last thing you want to do is to reduce the amount of firemen. So what my solution is to reduce the inflammation. And you can do that through so many different natural means. We go through your diet and see what it is that's causing the inflammation, and also we make sure that you have then the nutrition that you need. It may be a zinc, copper, vitamin C. I have all these different nutritional components that are crucial for a healthy lining to reduce that inflammation. So when you come to me, that is what I will look at. I will see what can we do so we can reduce inflammation, and through that way we will then not need as many firemen out on the street. We will not need as much cholesterol. So the cholesterol then will naturally be reduced in your system. That is what I feel is a solution, rather than just artificially reduce cholesterol by taking pharmaceutical drugs.